watching my eyes go away, Dr. Lovely, watching my eyes go away, Dr. Lovely, watching my eyes go away.
Welcome back, YouTube family. Guys, yet again, we are back with another one. And today, guys, I am coming to you with a black currant wine. I wish I could say I tasted these fruits before. They are native to Europe. You can find them in Europe all over, but they're also grown commercially, so they're around. But this is just one fruit that I really never got a chance to try. But we are going to do this one on the channel today. And I'm not about to sit here and act like I know about this fruit, because I really don't. But based on what we found online, black currants have a strong tart taste due to high level of tannins. So we shouldn't have to worry about the tea that we have down here. It just might add a little bit more tannins to it. But we know we'll get a pretty good mouthfeel out of this one. And it's also said these berries have strong earthy notes. People describe the taste as grape-like in flavor. So there you go. You're gonna have a wine that come out with notes of grape, or what you get from grape, which ironically, grapes give you other tastes of fruit. But we went over that once before up in one of our videos. And also, they are acidic in taste with hints of cherry. When dried, black currants contain hints of vanilla and wildflower. So there you go. Like I said, I don't know too much about the fruit, and I'm not gonna dive too much deep into it. So if you guys want to research the fruit or check it out online, go ahead and do your own research. I also do know that they say that black currants are good for heart health. So it is what it is. Like I said once before, I'm not a doctor. I just play one on TV.
I'm not a doctor, but I play one on TV.
Okay. Don't worry about that joke. Anyway, like I said, so we're going to go ahead and get into this process, guys. I found the Ribena, I hope I'm saying that right, at a Chinese food market, actually. And if you guys cannot find this around, there you go. If you can't find this, it's a concentrate containing 30% juice. You could you can wind up using 3 to 5 pounds of currants. And you're gonna ask us, like, well, if you never made this one before, how you know to use 3 or 5 pounds? It's generally a rule of thumb, guys. You get a nice amount of juice concentrate out of any of your fruits. And once again, I went over that in one of my videos. So if you guys show me some love, go check out some of my older videos. And a lot of stuff that I go over sometimes, I already said it once before up in the video. But like I said, we're going to use 32 ounces of concentrate, of black currant concentrate. Once again, you can use 3 to 5 pounds of currants. We're using 2 pounds of sugar, which equates to roughly 4 cups. we are using 1 gallon of water, half an ounce of lemon juice, or 1/4 wedge of lemon, or 1 wedge of lemon, however you want to put it. We are using a pack of black tea for our tannin, and between these two guys, our tannin and our acid, once again, black currant contains that, but we're going to just add it just for some insurance, to improve our taste, and we will adjust it later. Like I said, you guys could adjust it, but you know, just for the video, this is what we're using. And for finally our yeast, we are going with one of my berry favorites. Okay, another joke.
Gotcha. Well, that's the story of my life. No respect. No respect.
But anyway, one of my favorites, the BM 4x4. Like I say, this one is good for any kind of berry wine that you're making. It really adds those nice berry notes to it, and also floral and other little things like that. But once again, I have that in one of my other videos. But we are going to get right to the point. We have our hydrometer in the back with our graduated cylinder, our glass carboy with our airlock and bung, and back here we have our pitcher and our mixing spoon, and on the stove we have our pot. So enough with the rambling. Let's enjoy this video, guys, and get this one done for the fall, because oh my god, it finally cooled off just a little bit. And like I say, I'm up in Louisiana and it gets hot and humid out here, so even if we get a few days of fall weather, I'm happy with that. But I know you guys could relate. Anyway, on to the process.
We're no strangers to love. You know the rules, and so do I. A full commitment's what I'm thinking of. You wouldn't get this from any other guy. I just wanna tell you how I'm feeling. Gotta make you understand. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you. Never gonna make you cry. Never gonna say goodbye. Never gonna say a lie and let you. You know the rules, and so do I. And so do I.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are back and we are at that final moment in the video. I went ahead after we got our hydrometer reading, which, just in case, I know it's gonna be up in my video, but it was 1.110, and I know you guys may think that's pretty high, but actually it's fine. If it goes dry, we're okay. If it becomes what you want to say, semi-dry, that's still fine. Once again, we're using BM 4x4 yeast. I keep forgetting what's the ABV tolerance, but like I said, it's fine. It's no big deal. And for this, since it's a high ABV, well, most likely it's going to wind up being a high ABV. We're shooting for like 12-13%. You can go ahead and add a little yeast nutrient if you guys would like, a little Fermade O. Once again, as I always tell you guys, it's up to you. So we're going to go ahead and add our 1/4 teaspoon of yeast, which is enough for this brew. It'll do the job just fine. And basically, that would be all, guys. Like I said, this one was also a simple one. I noticed when I tasted this also, it was actually my first time having black currant, and it tasted actually pretty good. It has like a jam-like quality. The taste is unique to black currants. As far as what it's going to turn out to be, a really good wine. And if you guys pounds to 2 pounds of honey, and you'll be just fine. We are at the end of this video. Appreciate you guys watching as always. Once again, I always love you guys. Thanks to all my subscribers, anybody who's watching now. Really appreciate it if you would subscribe and press that like button down below, and that'll be another one from Dock of the Bay. Anyways, see you later on the next video. Peace.